What's up guys? So for today's video we're actually going to be inside the entire time and not be touching the meeple at all. If any of you guys know anything about the weather the past 2 summers in Pennsylvania, you know there's a lot of rain and rain. So when the weather conditions are not the best outside, you have to make the best use of your time inside. Now that rainy summertime weather is exactly what brought me into today's video on the Wish.com drone. This exact drone can be bought today off the Wish site for about $15 to $17. So opening the Wish app on your smartphone, you can see advertised price here $17, original price $200. Now, do you actually have to pay $200 to get this? Probably not. After doing some quick Googling on my phone, I did find this exact drone on Walmart and other sites from roughly $30 to $50. So, should you spend the extra money and buy a name brand one, or go on Wish.com and save yourself about 30 bucks? Let's find out. Nothing too special in the box here, standard packaging. Overall pictures, you can get it in the black and also blue color scheme. Let's see what else it comes with. We got the remote, which takes 2 AA batteries, not AAA like the instructions say, but 2 AA. We also have 3 rechargeable battery packs for the drone. Charge time is roughly about half an hour with 5 minutes of fly time per battery. The battery charger here. Instructions: 4 extra blades, 2 black, 2 gray. And finally, the drone itself. Now, for $17, I don't expect the build quality here to be at the top pinnacle of toys, but it does feel like your standard plastic controller for your toy RC car or what have you. Luckily, not only are the instructions in English, they do give a complete overview of the controller and each of the buttons' capabilities. I did already confirm that the 360 flip and roll and the left to right as far as front and back adjustments do work on the remote, so good start. One quick note on the charger: once you do plug in a dead battery here to the USB outlet, there will not be any light that initially comes on. A red light will only illuminate once the battery is completely charged right here in this little cutout window. So once you're ready to get this little drone here up into the air, you need to take the battery pack here, slide it into the little cubby, then plug in the connector, and a blue and red light will illuminate, flashing, letting you know the drone is in pairing mode. Then you want to turn the controller on, and this red light also lets it know it is in pairing mode for a new drone. So once you do a little acceleration, you're already connected. Alright, let's go ahead and get some flying done. So before all you guys start commenting how bad my flying is, yes, I know, it's pretty bad, but I will practice. So for the time being, here's some clips of me and my amateur flying. So enjoy. Alright, so here goes the first attempt. It's going over the loft edge. Let's see how it goes. And stuck in the couch. Alright, Paul, let's see if we can go back up. Get one more point of view here going. There you have it, guys. That is the $17 Wish drone. The only thing I have left here to do is to practice my flying. Now, I will say I highly recommend buying the package that includes the 3 extra batteries here for flying. If you don't buy that package, you will have a lot of downtime waiting for the batteries to charge, and the more practice you'll get in with 3 times the amount of flying. And of course, the ultimate question, is it worth $17? Personally, I think it is worth $17. If you can wait the roughly 2 to 3 weeks for the item to ship, then you can save yourself easily 30 to 40 bucks. Anyone looking to order this exact drone off Wish, all you have to do is type in small indoor flying drone on the Wish search bar and it should be one of the first few options that comes up. When you are on the site, be careful though, there are a lot of fun looking items to buy and that might just mean more spending than what you were going to in the first place, so be careful. That about wraps up today's video here. Be on the lookout in the next week. Hopefully we'll get some more outside videos going and maybe even some mountain biking, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.